Good morning. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today's lecture on course CCTP second and our paper is CHI 130. This paper is inorganic chemistry, molecular symmetry and chemistry of main group element. Okay. Today we are discuss about the section second. Section second is the main group element. In this we are talking about the first chapter. First chapter is hydrogen and its compound. Hydrogen CH2 in the presence of gas. It is present in gaseous form. So hydrogen reacts with different atoms to forms a different molecules. Okay. So in this, so many compounds are formed. In these compounds depends on the particular atom. Okay. So many compounds are formed this hydrogen atom. Okay, so in this chapter we are discuss on first hydrogen and its compounds. Specially we are discuss a first hydrides. Okay, hydrides of hydrogen. In this hydride it is ion forms. Okay, so hydrogen is the form of in molecule H2. So in this chapter we are discuss on hydrides. Okay, first point, classification. Okay, first of all we are discuss on the what is hydrides. Hydrides a binary compound of hydrogen with a metal. Binary compound of hydrogen with a metal. It is hydrides, and the hydride is the anion of hydrogen. Okay, it is the compound in which one or more hydrogens are central and they may behave as a nucleophile, nucleophilic, as well as reducing and basic in nature. These hydrides are nucleophilic or reducing or basic. Okay, so hydride is the anion of hydrogen, and these hydrogen behave as a nucleophilic as well as reducing as well as basic property. Okay, so now we are discuss on first point, classification of hydrides. Okay, so in this hydrides are classified or types of hydrides. Okay, this is depends on the particular types. First is there are three types of hydride. Okay, so first is the covalent types of hydride, or sometime we call a molecular hydride. Okay, so second is ionic hydrides. Okay, or it sometime we call a saline types of hydrides. Okay, first covalent types of hydrides, second saline types of hydrides, and third is the metallic types of hydrides, or sometimes we call a interstitial hydrides. Okay, interstitial hydrides. First covalent, second ionic, and third is the metallic. Okay, there are three types of hydrides. Okay, so in which first covalent types of hydrides. Covalent types of hydrides in which dihydrogen forms molecular hydrides with a p block element. Okay, these covalent types of hydrides, dihydrogen molecules, hydrides with most of the p block elements. These types of hydrides formed by p block element. Okay, covalent types of hydrides, and it consists discrete covalent molecules. Okay, discrete covalent types of molecules. In these molecules presents a weak van der Waals forces and they stabilize. Okay, so these hydrides have low melting point and boiling point. Okay, these types of hydrides, covalent types of hydrides, it has a low melting point. Example of this, first is the CH4 molecules. Okay, this is the covalent types of hydrides, and second H2O, third HF. This is the covalent types of hydrides. Okay, so these covalent types of hydrides again classify into three classes. Okay, first is the electron deficient. This second is electron precise types of hydrides, and third is electron rich types of hydrides. Okay, these types of covalent hydrides, electron deficient hydrides, forms group 13 elements, or group 13 atoms are forms a electron deficient types of hydrides. Okay, and they so act as Lewis acid. Why? Because it presents a vacant orbitals. Okay, so this type electron deficient types of hydride act as a Lewis acid because in presence of vacant orbital, and example is B2H6. Okay, group 13 elements are formed a electron deficient hydrides. Okay, so next is the electron precise. It is the example of CH4. These types of hydrides are formed in group 14 elements. Okay, so this species have a electron density towards the central atom. Okay, so CH4 is a electron precise types of hydride, and third is the electron rich types of hydride. Means these types of hydrides are formed in group 15 to 17. Okay, so in these molecules rich electron bases, or these hydrides, molecules of hydrides electron rich. Suppose example NH3. So this molecule presents a rich electron, lone pair of electron. So this types, so we have considered as a electron rich covalent types of hydrides, and then this is act as a base. Okay, so this is the act as a Lewis acid, and electron rich species is act as a base. Second types is the ionic hydrides. Okay, ionic types of hydrides. In this, hydrides forms a stoichiometric compound. Stoichiometric, its composition proportion. Okay, so in this alkali and alkaline earth metals, these are crystalline, non-volatile and non-conducting solid state present. Okay, so they have ionic types of hydrides. They have high melting points, properties, high melting point and boiling point. So this is the one of the example of ionic. In this example, generally it forms a alkali and alkaline earth metal, means S block elements are formed a ionic types of hydrides, NaH, LiEH, and they prepare from electrolysis process. So in this ionic type of hydrides, you know about the lithium hydride, sodium hydrides, and the barium hydrides, manganese hydrides, MgH2. Okay, this is the types of ionic hydride. Okay, so in this lithium hydride, okay, general example for lithium hydride. When these lithium hydrides reacts with aluminum trichloride. Okay, lithium hydride reacts with aluminum trichloride. Okay, to forms a lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydrides. Okay, lithium aluminum hydrides. Okay, so in this, these lithium aluminum hydrides is act as a reducing agent and the most useful reagent in organic synthesis. Okay, so this is reduce carbonyl compound. Okay, so this lithium hydrides reacts with aluminum trichloride and to forms a lithium aluminum hydride, and this is the most important reagent in organic synthesis. Okay, so organic synthesis, this lithium aluminum hydride used as a reducing agent, such as carbonyl containing highly reducing agent. So similarly, this reacts with, suppose lithium aluminum hydrides is reacts with barium trichloride. Barium trichloride to forms a B2H6 types of diborane types of hydride. Lithium aluminum hydrides reacts with barium trichloride to forms a B2H6 diborane hydride. Okay, so this is the important reagent for synthesis of diborane. So next, suppose this lithium hydride reacts with PCl3. Okay, lithium aluminium hydride reacts with trichlorophosphine to forms a phosphine hydride. Okay, so this is the important of ionic hydride. So many reagents or so many compounds are used in chemical reaction. So first we forms a lithium hydride, and lithium hydride combines with aluminium trichloride to forms a lithium aluminium hydride, and this lithium aluminium hydride used as a reagent. Okay, so this reagent is most important, and they forms a different types of compound. Okay, so if these reacts with barium trichloride to forms a diborane or borane, and then this reacts with phosphorus trichloride to forms a phosphine hydride. Okay, similarly NaH. Okay, so sodium hydride reacts with trimethoxyborane. Sodium hydride reacts with trimethoxyborate. Sodium hydride reacts with trimethoxyborane to forms a sodium borohydrate. Sodium borohydrate. Okay, so sodium borohydrate, and again this is the reagent reacts with organic molecules containing carbonyl groups, and they reduce. Okay, so as compared to lithium borohydride, it is lithium aluminium hydride. As compared to lithium borohydride, sodium borohydride is the mild as compared to low reducing ability. So this is the ionic types of hydride. And second, we are discuss on the metallic or interstitial types of hydride. In this, hydrides are formed by the reaction of dihydrogen with D block D or F block. Dihydrogen reacts with a D block or F block element to forms a metallic hydrides or interstitial hydroxide. Due to smaller size, these hydrogen act as a interstitious in metal lattice, okay, to forms a metallic hydride. Okay, so this is known as interstitial types of hydrides, and this is the non-stoichiometric types of hydride. Okay, so ionic types of hydride, it is a stoichiometric, and metallic hydride is non-stoichiometric, deficient in hydrogen. Okay, so example, scandium H2 and lithium lanthanum H2 and chromium H thrice. Okay, this is the types of metallic hydride or interstitial types of hydrides. Okay, so next we are discuss about the group 13, 14, 15 to 17. Okay, this group consists of hydrides. Okay, so just we are discuss about group 13 and group 14 as well as group 15. Okay, so group 13 elements are forms a electron deficient types of hydrides, and group 14 14 types forms a electron precise types of hydride. Okay, so next group 15 to group 17, it forms a electron rich covalent types of hydrides. Okay, so in general we discuss in our syllabus phosphine hydride. Okay, phosphine hydride is group 15 hydrides. Okay, similarly arsenic trihydride, stibine and bismuth. Arsenic hydride, stibine hydride and bismuth hydride, these are also forms a group 15 types of hydrides. Okay, so first we are discuss on the phosphine trihydride. Okay, phosphine trihydrides, first preparation. Okay, phosphine trihydrides, it is colorless and extremely toxic in high reactive. Okay, so preparation of this phosphine, first it prepared by using calcium phosphate Ca3P and in presence a H2O, means hydrolysis to forms a PH3 plus CaOH twice. Okay, 6 and 3. Okay, so first preparation of phosphine hydride. So in this calcium phosphate hydrolyzed to forms a phosphine. Okay, it is highly toxic gas and highly unstable colorless gas, and preparation by using calcium phosphate and as well as hydrolysis of P4 plus NaOH plus H2O to forms a PH thrice plus NaH2 PO2. Here balance 3 and 3. Okay, so this is the preparation methods of phosphine. Second, it is stable in water. Okay, and this is not soluble. It is phosphine, it is not soluble in water. Okay, so in this water is neutral water. Okay, so that's why these are the non basic. It is soluble in phosphine, it is soluble in carbon sulfide, carbon disulfide. Okay, organic, highly soluble in organic. Other than organic solution, when it is pH 3 plus HCl, when phosphine trihydride reacts with water or added HCl, dilute HCl, to forms a pH 4 plus Cl minus salt, like ammonia. Okay, so it is stable in air and in pure form. Okay, so in pure form this is more stable as compared to in dimeric form. Okay, dimeric form are not stable, so but we are heating, then they fire, so that's why this is the stable in air forms. We heating pH thrice plus O2, 2 times O2 to forms H3FeO, means oxidize. Okay, so next is the arsenic trihydride, stibine and bismuth hydride. Okay, so this is are also in group 15 element. Okay, so this is the bond energy and stability, decreasing the group, bond energy and stability of these molecules decreasing on the group. So that's why they forms a less stable, or they forms a lower number of hydrides. Okay, so this is the highly poisonous gas. Okay, so that's why this is a limitation of preparation. So this gas is highly poisonous and prepared by heating in presence by using a binary compounds like Zn thrice Al As thrice, binary compounds in presence of water or HCl to forms a arsenic trihydride plus zinc hydroxides or zinc chloride. Okay, so this is the preparation method of bismuth or arsenic or stibine hydride. Okay, this is in this form so this aluminum hydride, these arsenic hydrides and stibine and bismuth hydrides tested by using in laboratory test. Okay, using a Mars test by identification of arsenic metal poisoning. Okay, so in this method we are identify using arsenic trihydride. So next is the selenium hydrides and tellurium hydrides. Okay, all these are group 16 compounds. Okay, these hydrides are prepared in group 15 elements. Okay, so it is easier to make by using the preparation of sulfide S2S or H2 okay. So this is the liquid form and all are the in gaseous form. Okay, so the sulfide gas H2S, preparation of sulfide gas in our laboratory. Okay, so this is, suppose ferrous sulfide reacts with HCl to forms a sulfide gas H2S. Okay, so similarly tellurium, polonium is radioactive, so this is not included in our syllabus. So this is selenium hydrides also prepared by similar method, and tellurium is also prepared like this, Al2 selenium thrice in presence of 6 water molecule to forms a tellurium hydride plus byproduct arsenic aluminum trihydroxide. Okay, so this is the selenium preparation method of selenium hydride and tellurium hydride. Okay, it's tellurium. Okay, so forms a tellurium hydride. Okay, similarly your water hydride, oxygen hydrides is a liquid form, and this is the other is gaseous form, and it act as a diabasic. Okay, so this sulfur or selenium hydrides act as a NaOH to forms its salt and act as a diabasic. Okay, so these all gases are soluble in water and burn in air. Okay, so this is the most important chapter for preparation of hydrides, classification of hydrides. There are 3 types: covalent hydrides and ionic hydrides. Ionic hydrides we are also considered as a metallic hydrides, are also called a interstitial hydrides. Okay, so in this most important phosphine hydrides, and then arsenic hydrides and stibine hydrides, bismuth hydrides is very poisonous hydrides, and they identify using mass test. Okay, identification of arsenic. So at that time these gases are prepared or gases are formed. So next is the selenium hydrides and tellurium hydrox. This is the group 16 element. Group 16 element. So this selenium hydrides is prepared by using similar method like ferrous sulfide or cerium sulfide, ferrous selenides plus hydrochloric acid or H2SO4, any types of mineral acids to forms these types of hydrides. Okay, so these types of hydrides is highly soluble in water, but also it's burn in air. So last is act as a diabasic in nature. Okay, so thank you all of you.